finished. Know you're alive and God's not finished. I know you're alive, God's not finished. I know you're alive and God's not. The devil's alive and now weeping. The devil's alive and now he finished. Devil's alive and now he finished.
Your mind's elsewhere, and you say you care? I'm laughing at you all. You think you got me? No, my back ain't against the wall.
I was just telling that I got this girl before, and I was together since 3 years, and I was not even cheating her or what, and Facebook arrived, and she wanted me to accept her on Facebook, and I don't want it because I was like in front of her, and she told me like accept me on Facebook. It was virtual, it makes no sense. She told me like it's over. I can't believe it. Pure jealousy or nothing.